Ngasigi topic asi female reproductive system kawi nahana male reproductive system takol hoigre ado female reproductive system da ke part yaw ke ni hasiko first a pair of ovary cell ni a pair of oviducts hai fallopian tubes hai kutunai or tubules hai kawi and then uterus cervix vagina vestibular or Bartholin gland mammary gland or breast and these are the parts that presented the female reproductive system. And using on diagram you see first ovary a pair of ovary have the left right and 2 pairs of ovaries and next ovaries have the connect the parts infundibulum have the ovaries the primary sex organ and the female secondary sex organ primary sex organ those organs that produce only the gametes and the sex hormone so in female reproductive system the primary sex organ ovary layer the ovary egg and the female sex hormone estrogen and the progesterone the two types of hormone do produce once the animals ovaries egg to produce another who connect receive the infundibulum next the infundibulum isthmus layer and then ampulla and the fundus and these three parts are included in the oviduct or fallopian tubules and when I say have the site of fertilization important so many since I rate as minor site of fertilization site of fertilization have the site of fertilization fertilization si karamba part have the female ki karamba part karamba area the fertilization thoki na har tadi in between the ampulla and the isthmus junction and next last uterus uterus is important once fertilization have a process the fetus have the embryo embryo uterus have areas uterus so once different stages embryonic developmental stage and different stages to have uterus and then see uterus three parts have the three layer more the layer see endometrium myometrium and the endometrium perimetrium this is the perimetrium perimetrium the outermost layers na perimetrium colony, middle layers na myometrium colony, and the innermost layers na endometrium colony. So the three layers se pula matunda ko na uterus and harani ko. So this is important endometrium hai bang sa uterus ki part important oi. Marami kay hai kan dama ding asagi menstrual cycle kuding bi have the every menstrual cycle kuding imagine cyclical changes like have the magi layers se amuk thalatpa aduga magi layers se amuk thadarapa. Sigi process adu laigani karambada endometrium harba uterus ki parts dadi aduga endometrium harba parts so hey menstrual cycle di la tarpam tam su dum important na hadi mas india dum layani ko adu na khana di endometrium isi kanadi part no kada yawi hadi dum kham batare ko. And next one is cervix area, and then cervical canals, then vagina and the Bartholin gland, mammary gland or breast and the and next topic is part of female reproductive system that we have though lower functions functions of the ovary. The ovary is important primary sex organ. Kamay to na sa ovary ki manung da structure yawi kana yawi se karamba cell na ovary ki karamba type of cell na or estrogen puthopino karamba type of cell na progesterone puthopino hai kusu ovary. Hozi ovary layer ovary की cross section ni ko cross section of the ovary se lai have the ovary si ki manung da kai structure kamai to na sai gi ovum ona jagana na sai gi egg ama ova ama kamai na chawai no kamai na mature ore no have ni ko simo kai first the hojik ovary spike khang odom ovary se sai gi two parts hai parts ani thona khai doi medulla hai ma cortex have ma lai cortex hai na sai gi mai outermost part hai tare ko outermost parts na cortex lai re du ma inner parts na medulla lai re du medulla sa ya sai blood vessels ku ba any connective tissues and highly blood vessels mein ama ya on ko and next same seasonal sagi germinal epithelium hai ba sagi ovary ki ma ki sagi layer hai tare ko si layer si kana line to ge hai tare germinal epithelium have germinal epithelial cell have a cell is na line to bani have the yawe have any germinal epithelium se ma na class 11 this is higher germinal epithelium have a type of cells presence only on the gonads have any adadi ovary and yaw on ko have a cells being as like erosing follicles and secondary oocytes form to the ko 5% say growing follicles say growing follicles hai tadi follicles ki manung da sai gi oocytes yaw ni follicles in na dum chawai gai sai gi okay hani my more the yard of the yard of oocytes dum chawai ni ko first growing follicles first primary follicles secondary follicles and the Graafian follicles have matlab sadi sai gi mature already mature have the no more the yard of sai gi oocytes similar they are secondary oocytes ko secondary oocytes mature ore and the fertilized over yarani have ko once kai mo sai Graafian follicles assemble or matung dagi ding sai ovulation have process thoni ovulation have the temple ding sai ovary dagi ovum du sai release to bagi process to ovulation and ko and next once kai mo sai ovulation se thogre the matung da some no si manung gi parts the yard area si the ding sai thoki doi se ovum moina aduga manung da yahoi ba sai follicles have the follicles da sai empty wa hani man bi kai ovum du thokra ni da adna empty follicles in dum kai form tor gam tanda corpus luteum has one sai types of structure si form tor ko aduga sai sune khangsan da ni mo Graafian follicles sigi follicles have things na chawai kudingi have the most types of cells amani moi things na kai produce the we have the estrogen have hormone si secretary kaya ko adi sari khang si kai no ovary ki karamba part gi no estrogen hormone release the way say ideally the growing follicles cells have here and next is the corpus luteum this is very important or energy kai no have the corpus luteum se kai hormone produce the way progesterone have hormone si corpus luteum is the secretary ko ada research na hamzam ba yare corpus luteum na progesterone hormone produce the way adagi the growing follicular cells in the estrogen have hormone si produce the way adu emo se is like Graafian follicle this is like to mature follicles se ngasagi kai dawi kai yaw ke hadni ko layer thai yawe first ki layer na theka external kore manu gisna mu theka internal kore and sina marati ngasagi seisa joint or riba secondary oocyte ka ngasagi joining to difference na cumulus spheres kore and then steps that mayawi sina jona pelicida manu gisna secondary oocytes layer and this structure like this na ekoni Graafian follicles and ekoni ko and next the ovum the Graafian follicles kay difference like ovum hai ta ding ngasagi ovary dagi thokibada thokraga like structure duna ovum kawani aduga ovary gi manung da lai ngai dang ngasai lai duna Graafian follicles kawani ko ovum ama lai ge hai ta ding mon kai structure yaw hai ta di manung da cortical granules yawni secondary oocytes yawni and then plasma membrane zona pellucida and the corona radiata see how the structure is na ovum and kawani ko Says na sagi ovary ki parts lore ovary na sai kamai to na sagi secondary oocyte si form to reno develop to reno hai puna lore ko sai sa next topic am ho si oogenesis type topic si ko oogenesis hagi hana so mention to bhaduni the process of formations of egg or ova in the ovary is called oogenesis. Correct? Oogenesis na maru marka na nasagi last mature egg secondary oocytes is a form of winning oogenesis have a process the phase number 1 the multiplication phase, growth phase, and the maturation phase. In the phase 3 phase three phase first thing multiplication phase germinal epithelium oogonia oogonia ani mari thoni sigi process na mitosis ko mitosis na maram oogonia mari lerari. Next growth phase sigi oogonia primary oocytes form phase na growth phase and then from the primary oocytes secondary oocytes in the first polar body form meiosis 1 process meiosis 1 process number secondary oocytes and the first polar body is form next meiosis 2 meiosis 2 the mature secondary oocytes and the two polar bodies form CG phase and the maturation phase different phase different mechanism during fetal life during fetal life primary oocytes form fetal life Habdi man polo females na polo the ovaries receive primary oocytes and sigi multiplication phase and the growth phase during the fetal life primary oocytes next primary oocytes development secondary oocytes secondary oocytes puberty stage secondary oocytes change puberty stage secondary oocytes and the first polar body form next meiosis 2 cell division meiosis 2 cell division secondary oocytes and the two polar bodies form secondary oocytes or ovum meiosis 2 secondary oocyte ovum condition meiosis 2 fertilization fertilization process meiosis 2 complete meiosis 2 metaphase to hybrid phase arrest anaphase 2 and the telophase 2 factor factor anaphase promoting factor anaphase promoting factor factor spermatozoa fertilizer spermatozoa anaphase anaphase 2 telophase 2 meiosis 2 metaphase hybrid stage and the next topic